window operations. This is where things get fun when it comes to data analysis. And I think especially if you've come from, let's say, like SQL, where there are window operations and they do exist. Uh, and this may be a personal preference thing. I find window functions in SQL really hard to use, to read, to reason about. In pandas, I think they're super easy. So we'll see that here. As I'm talking, I'm doing the same steps I've done in a few videos leading up to this point to load uh, taxi data, and I'm going to just filter on data just in January of 2021. Okay, and then from there, I'm going to take this and resample it. We've gone over resampling as well, and just create a data frame out of that. So those are what my numbers look like. Now, I want to do some kind of 3-day analysis, 5 days, 7 days. So I'm going to go ahead and create a 3-day moving average uh, metric here, and I'm doing it by that same resample and just taking rolling 3 dot mean. I could do the same thing with 5 and 7. Now, if I had a much larger data set, I could do 30, 60, 90, 120, whatever. But for now, I'm just go ahead and do 3, 5, 7. There you go. It just gives you a trailing 3, 5, or 7 day look into what the average value is.